We'll learn how to use a piece of copper to make a key of Baojun via 2m2tank CNC key cutting machine. At first, prepare a piece of key blank. We have to connect the machine by Bluetooth. After connection, we'll make a special key blank for Baojun. Generate key type. Enter laser key. We'll search Baojun. Click Continue. We'll install the key blank on the clamp depending on the guide picture. One important reminder. Besides Super Key Blank, you also could use other key blanks that the width is 780. Install it. After installation, we'll click Continue. The Baojun key blank was finished. We will make a key copy. Enter Key Database. Click Vehicle Database. Here we'll search Baojun. It's Chinese car. We'll look for Baojun 730. Click it. We will select 144, and it is 10 cuts. Before making a key copy, we need to decode the original key. Install it on the clamp. If it's ready, click Identify. The machine is decoding the key. The key biddings were appeared. And install the key blank on the machine. All is ready. Click Cut. Both sides cutting finished. And compare with the original key. It looks perfect. Let's try to turn the lock on.